Cynful brown butter chicken with ravioli. Start out by taking your chicken tenders and cutting them into 1-inch strips and then hitting them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toss the chicken to coat in the seasonings in the oil. And then go ahead and preheat your pan on medium-high with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your chicken and cook it until it is totally cooked through and a little bit browned. Once that's happened, remove it from the pan. Now add that entire stick of butter and let it melt. While it's melting, scrape off those brown bits that's on the bottom. We call that fond, and it's all flavor. Once all that butter's melted and you've scraped the bottom, add your bacon and your rosemary or whatever herb you decide to use. Stir it all up and cook it until it becomes done and the butter is actually kind of an amber color. Once that happens, go ahead and drop in your ravioli. And we're going to stir those up, get them all coated in that butter and get that bacon and that seasoning all over it, that rosemary. Try to break those ravioli apart a little bit as well as they warm up. So we're going to go ahead and add our wine and our chicken broth that's all put together and then put a top on it. We're going to steam it for about 8 minutes. Remove the top, return the chicken to the pan, and go ahead and cook off any remaining liquid that happens to be in there. Get all that chicken and ravioli coated. And that's all there is to it. I do have a link in the description for a printable PDF file. But here's your recipe anyway. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me in my kitchen today for this very simple dish. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.